We're not dealing with a situation like that. We're just kind of keeping an eye on the tropics.
Well, and not even really for anything that's threatening. So we do have Danny that's off the East Coast, another little wave that is still weeks away.
Okay.
And so at the moment, nothing is threatening and models are not indicating anything in the Gulf. So
enjoy it.
A boring forecast in the summer is a good thing. So daily showers and thunderstorms, I will take this all summer long. And that is really what we saw. Once we get into that daytime heating, showers, thunderstorms bubble up. You get some brief downpours, but at least the showers do move. So you don't see anything just sitting, and that would cause maybe more of a flooding concern. And that really has not been the issue. A lot of our rainfall has already started to wind down. Still some scattered showers, a little heavier north of Lumberton at the moment. We've had a few light showers still passing through parts of the North Shore. South Shore, though, not much. We've been fairly quiet over the last couple of hours. Had one little shower that moved across north of Chalmette and New Orleans east around Lakefront Airport, and that has been about it. For the rest of the evening, things will be settling down as when we look at satellite, you don't see any real further development offshore as that rainfall has been moving from the southwest toward or southeast toward the northwest. So the good news is any rain that does form moves. We don't have any of those just sitting and becoming more stationary where you would get more of that flooding concern. 87 degrees right now with a dew point of 72. Today's high yet again, because clouds and rain, we stayed out of the 90s. So our average high, we have not been getting to that, at least most days. We only had a little more than a trace of rain at Kenner, so you don't even need the heavy showers to help cool things off. And we're in the 80s across the area at the moment. So we kind of struggle to get to around 90, 91 degrees thanks to our clouds and rainfall. And that is going to be a trend coming up for the next several days. Here's what's going on. We actually have a couple of spins showing up on water vapor. One is that tropical or upper low that brought in that tropical wave. That's what increased our rain coverage yesterday. Another is an upper low that's moving our way that will likely increase our rain chances, or at least keep our rain chances on the higher side at around 50% over the next couple of days, as it looks like this low is going to kind of stall over the area. But it's actually this low that helped to generate Danny, which is starting to move inland right now. Now we'll get to Danny in just a moment with it almost on land, but rainfall is going to stay on the higher side over the next couple of days. Plenty of tropical moisture, and as I mentioned, that upper low as it moves overhead is going to keep our rain chances on the higher side in the coming days. About 40-50% just about each day through the rest of the week. Then as we approach the holiday weekend, a cold front is approaching. Now, early July, this just means it's a focus for more rainfall, and unfortunately it looks like this front is going to stall over the area and may keep our rain chances on the higher side as we approach the holiday weekend. Right now going with about a 70% chance for both Saturday and Sunday, but Sunday is still kind of in question as the models are not in perfect agreement. The Euro actually has the front moving south by Sunday afternoon and evening, which means we may be drying out, whereas the GFS has our rainfall kind of sticking around throughout the day on Sunday, the 4th. So we'll just have to wait and see. Quick check of Danny. It is getting ready to move inland over the southern part of the South Carolina coast. Heavy rainfall really got going as that center approached land. So the window of opportunity for any further strengthening is closing, as the center will be inland and then continuing to push inland as we continue through the overnight and going into tomorrow. The only other area that we have been watching is that wave that is still well to the east of the islands. Here are the lesser Antilles. So this is the wave that we're tracking. This is the same wave we've been talking about since really more early to mid last week. Has a medium % chance of developing in the next 3 to 5 days, but it is still so far out. I only mention it just because it'll probably be something we'll talk about for the next 2 weeks or so. Temperatures over the next few days, upper 80s, near 90 degrees with about a 50% chance for showers and storms. Rain chances picking up for the weekend. May not be a complete washout for Sunday. We'll fine tune the forecast as we get closer, and then spotty to scattered showers as we head into early next week.